All right, so are you a food vendor, maybe even a food truck owner or soon to be? Have you also started a home-based baking business? Well, guess what? Trying to figure out how to get the right insurance without wasting hours online is something that I wish I knew about a decade ago. But I've been there, trust me. Searching for insurance can be a bit overwhelming, especially when you don't even know what kind you need, let alone who to trust. So in this video, I'm going to help clear that up for you. I'm going to introduce you to a service that can save you time, energy, and a whole lot of headaches. But I'm going to give you a really quick heads up before we dive in and let you know this video is sponsored by Tivly, a company that actually helps small businesses like yours find insurance coverage that actually fits what you need. That said, everything I'm going to share, by the way, is based on my own experience and research, and of course is my own opinion. Now, these are my honest thoughts, and I only bring sponsors on while I actually believe their service truly is useful to my audience. Let's dive into exactly how this works. Starting that food business is extremely exciting, I know. You're building your brand, dreaming up recipes, maybe even picking out equipment or planning your first farmer's market sale. But then comes that not so fun stuff. That would be things like permits, licenses, and of course, insurance. Now, let's be a little real for a moment. Insurance is one of the most confusing parts of launching any business, especially when it comes to food businesses, and you're not sure of what kind of policy you need. Is it like general liability? Do you even need product liability? Well, if I'm selling a product, what about property insurance? You might try calling all around, Googling different providers, or even filling out dozens of forms, only to end up more confused when you started. This is actually where I really think Tivly shines. Tivly isn't an insurance provider. They're what I like to call a matchmaker for business insurance. They work with a wide network of actual insurance companies and help small businesses, like of course food vendors, caterers, or food trucks, and more, connect with a provider that actually fits their specific needs. And this isn't some new startup, by the way. Tivly's actually helped over 1 million small businesses find insurance last year. Okay, so here is what actually happens when you use Tivly. First, of course, you want to visit their website, fill out a short form. Now, this part only takes literally a couple of minutes. Super easy stuff like your business type, location, and a few quick details. Now, after that, a real person, yes, by the way, a real person, a Tivly representative, will give you a call. This part is actually pretty key to the whole process. They're not just dumping book quotes into your inbox or matching you with whatever's automated. They actually sit there and they take time to understand what your business is, what you would need. Now, are you a mobile food vendor working events, a home-based baker shipping goods across state lines? Now, they take it into account and match you with the right insurance partner. So why does this actually matter to food vendors? Well, because insurance isn't optional. You'll actually need it to do any of the following things. You're actually going to need insurance when you apply for food vendor permits. You want to join local events or food festivals in your area. You want to use shared commercial kitchens. Well, guess what? Yes, you're going to also need insurance for that. Or even sign leases for like a prep space for your food business. These are all instances where you're going to need to have insurance, but not just insurance, having the right one with the right coverages. So if you're unlicensed or even uninsured, it can hold you back, or even in some cases, shut down your food business before you even get started. Tivly helps take that pressure off, and they actually bring a little bit of clarity and speed to the process that can feel a little bit overwhelming when you get started or you're just launching. Instead of calling 10 different companies, which is what I did about 12 years ago, and trying to figure it all out on your own, you actually talk to one of their reps, and they do the hard part for you. Now, you might be wondering, how long does this actually take? Okay, so for instance, the form itself actually takes just a few minutes to complete. Seriously, it's probably faster than your morning coffee order at Starbucks. After that, the process depends on the insurance provider you're matched with, and that way, but Tivly's team is built to move quickly, and they're more focused on helping that small business owner like yourself keep things moving forward. No long waits. There's no confusing phone menus. Also, just real people, by the way. It's not an automated robot talking to you. Just real people helping you get the right coverage that you need. I have actually worked, honestly, with hundreds of food entrepreneurs over the years, and one of the most common things I hear is, I don't know where to start with insurance. So I love being able to point you at something simple and effective like Tivly. So when you're just getting your business off the ground, and of course, every minute and every dollar counts, Tivly actually helps you get protected without getting lost in the process. All right, so if you are ready to get insured and you want to move forward, click that link down in the description. Check out Tivly today. Whether you're selling at events or you're shipping your food products over state lines, or running a full-on food truck, it's one of the best ways to get started with insurance in the smart way, actually. Thanks again to Tivly for sponsoring this video, and thank you for watching. Definitely let us know if you have comments down below. If you've got questions about Tivly, let us know as well. It's probably best for you to just contact them directly. They'll be able to help you guys out. Now, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And again, drop any comments down below you've got. We'll see what we can do to help you out. I'll see you on our next video.